And this is for any company, but we know that recently a company shut down, and I've written a small letter letting them know that we know what it's like for companies to shut down, that you still need a community, and I'd like to welcome you with open arms. So the very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the search bar, and then I'm going to type for, let's say, hashtag Viseo. You could look for any company that you want, but then you can see how many posts there are. And I chose this one because it had 1,000 posts, and it's got this little diamond icon, meaning that these might be better, higher ranked people. And so all you do is go to an image, click the person's name, click the word message, and then drop in the message. So you can see that I've already dropped in my look. I know what it's like to have a company go under, little message, and then I go just hit the back button twice, and I go back and let's find another one. Free enrollment, well, no more. And it's the same person, so we're going to keep going back. And some people are doing really good. So you just randomly, I already got them too. There's a couple. I have not sold these people yet. We're going to go to the message, drop in the message, hit send, and go back twice. And you can just do this randomly over and over and over again. You're looking for where it gives you the free an open message field, and you just drop in your message. You do this 10, 20, 30 times a day on whatever path you want to take, and you just wait and see what happens. Like, this is literally knocking on doors, telling them, hey, here's a cake, I'm sorry that you've got the situation. And as you can see, I'm just messaging. That's it. Talk to you soon.